click on that, and there is a take profit and stop loss column here. So in take profit, you should enter the take profit level like 488. This is not number, is not valid. Not triggered. Okay. So in this take profit and stop loss, you should always enter your stop loss and profit target. 48600. This is also not. So when my price will be triggered, I will be able to enter my, suppose here, still not triggered. Now it's triggered. Now I will enter my profit target and stop loss in the system. Now see, all my levels are showing on the graph. There is a buying level, profit taking level. You can also move your profit taking level like this, and stop loss level like. And after doing this, when my trade will triggered, or here in live position, there is a negative. This is your profit or loss is going on here, and it will be shown in your account history after this trade executed. So now main topic, what I was trying to teach you, that STF to LTF and some other topics today. First of all, I will teach you supply and demand. Okay. So supply and demand is very important confluence of your system that you should always write. First, open your 1 hour chart. Okay. And in 1 hour chart, open your volume. So here in the volume segment, let's remove this. What you can see in this, something very extraordinary in this segment here. This volume bar is highest above all the available volume bars in the system. Also, if you go back, so you have to do this for the 3 months. Go back and see here. There was a so much high volume bar. I think I should increase the visibility of this bar. Okay. Now, so when I consider my 3-month range, what I see that this volume bar takes 1 second. Okay. So what I have to do that I have to mark these volumes, high volumes on the candles. Suppose this is green candle and this is your wick. So what I will do, if this green candle happen on the high volume, so I will mark the open like this. And this whole candle open will be act like my demand zone. And what if this is a red candle volume, red candle open? So I will mark the supply here. So in this case, this zone is my supply, this zone is my demand. Now I will mark this candle and some of the higher candles also. This was also a high candle. What was direct message? Please repeat. 10:35. This is just starting. So what I'm saying that open 1 hour chart and open volume and see the high taking supplying marking. Please repeat the mark is fine. This is starting, don't worry. So open 1 hour, open volume, open mark the highest volume bar like here. So what you can see the highest volume bars. Suppose you can see that this volume and suppose you mark this and you mark this. And now suppose I am here on 19 April. Please close your mic. Close this. Now see how market behave in this two level of supply and demand. So what I say that I don't know what will happen after this 5 April. I see this high volume here on 5 April. And what I teach you that I will mark the open of the red candle and open of the green candle. So this is the open and I will, what I will do? I will expand this. And this will be always present on my chart, okay? Now what happens, see, when price come here again, can you see the rejection from the demand zone? So this is the way how you can build a simple confluence in your system that price is on my demand zone. So I will sell the price here. Again, price on my demand zone. So I can sell for the little profit. But now what happened? When price break this demand zone and come again to this zone, what it will become? Can you say? When price break this demand zone, when it was further facing resistance from there, but after breaking that and when come back again, what it will become? Yes, support or supply. So, and this will never fail most of the time. Either price will surround at that level, change in polarity. Yes. So see how price not come to that level till now. So after drawing a simple supply and demand, you can get a short entry here when price rejected that level, and you get a buy entry here when price accepted or break that level upside, and again come back to retest. Now, can we do this in 5 minutes or 15 minutes? Because the volume and price, because price is fractal, so here also. So I don't know what will happen after this, but I can see the high volume here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will mark the open of the price like this. And I will short the market when market goes below this, and I will buy the market when market goes above this. Now can you see what happened after this? When market goes above my supply, first of all, you will say that when market come above and again come back again, so can I buy here? No, because can you see the support like thing here? Price just come here and break it in a single way. And now after breaking, it just facing the resistance here. So when price is facing resistance here, I will short the market here and I will put my SL here about this thing. So this is 1 hour time frame, so you will get huge profit now. And after here, when price break it down again, come back, can you see the rejection in the form of wick? You have to understand the market in the form of rejection, and you will never understand if you not watch the live market. See this wick. So what happened here? Price just rejected this lower prices than this supply zone. Price reject here again in the next candle, see, reject again in the form of wick, reject again in the form of wick, and then see. And if you are a swing trader, you don't need anything in the market except this supply zone. 34 at 36, almost how much this is? 34 at what I teach you, that always book your profit above old high. So if you enter here, you will book your profit here. So I am asking some question from the traders here also. Where is Mohammed? Mohammed, open your mic.
Yes, sir.
So I teach you supply here. Now
Yes, sir.
add more confluence in this area. Confluence means more confirmations. Why you will buy here? Regions. Give me your regions.
सर आप ये 26-28 के बीच में तो ये फेयर वैल्यू गैप है सर, FYG है.
Fair value gap. Fair value gap here. This is not happened.
हाँ ना इधर सर 26-28 FYG नहीं सर उसको.
Here. No, but here is also a bearish order block, no? So why you will buy? This is a bearish order block.
Yes, sir.
I think my stop loss is it. on my Bitcoin trade. Let's see trading journal. No, it goes in profit. Okay, anyway. Now, there is also a bearish order block.
Very short order.
Okay. And what you see here, price goes here, take an order from bearish order block, come again, and who provided the support here? This red candle. Na? This provided the order block, your order block support. And after taking the order, when reject, so you can also buy here because you are confirmed that your bearish order block is fail now. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Now, the next topic was sudden move or price exhaustion. Understand this supply and demand, everyone. Na? This is EG. This is 1 hour time frame. Mark the high candle and look the market according to that in 3-month range. So you have to look for the higher, like higher volume candle. Like if you mark this candle here, suppose you mark this candle. So when price goes below, you got a sell opportunity here. When price goes above, but when going down, it just break it in one go. Here, first face some resistance, then break it. So why you will buy? Now again see the magic. See, when price goes above, come again, retested. See the rejection here. See, now this is like this will always should be marked on your chart. Supply and demand. Now the exhaustion of the price or sudden movement. When you look at this price range from this point to this point, what you see here? Let me remove the volume. Sir, if we use daily or open your mic now, why are you writing this? Daily 4 or 10 from March, June, 1 hour time frame. Yes, but the problem is the volume. You see, if I open the daily and then I open the volume, see the problem. Because you are a day trader, huh? So you will not get the this level again. You mark this high volume, and when price come to the open of this after how many days here? This was the highest volume, and price come after so many days. Huh? You can do, but I am teaching this as a day trading, but you can do this also. Now for this red candle, yeah, this is a high volume, and what I will do, I will mark the candle open. Now when market rejected, I will go for the small profit, or I will, this is daily, so I will wait for the market like some bullish order block just below the supply zone. So I will see how market is treating my that order block. See rejection, 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 break, rejected, and then swing above. So this is the adding the confluence of supply and demand in your chart. What I was telling you. Liquidity. Okay. Now see how I can STF to LTF my market. So this is my monthly. What you are seeing in the monthly. This is Saurabh. Saurabh Porwal is here or not?
Yes, sir.
So what are you seeing here? This is monthly. First of all, what you will see or what you will mark?
The high and the low, sir.
Yes, the high and low. Because the liquidity rests above high and low. And you should always mark the body because institutions trade body, not wick. So here is the liquidity. And what market is doing here? What my Bank Nifty is doing here? So Bank Nifty, what it do? It just targeting my liquidity. I don't know if it will target this liquidity or not, but what I am seeing here, some kind of rejection in price. Okay. And also, I cannot consider this as a 1, 2, 3 pattern candle structure or order block because this third candle does not broken the first candle. It just rejected, 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 rejected. So now next thing what I will do, I will also go for the lower side liquidity. And now I got my range. So this is the range where price is trading. Now what I will do when I got my range, what I will do, I will open my scale and I will mark high and mark low this. I will consider swing this time. And now I will divide this range by half. This is the procedure and you should always trade like this and these levels are always marked in your chart. So suppose here if you mark this level already and when you see the rejection first time, so how many points are there for you? See 34 100 to 35
So
7.
can you be please little louder?
Okay. So what I say that when you see a swing A and swing B, here is a swing point and here is a swing low point. Okay. Now it is okay or not?
Yes, sir, it's okay.
So now mark this swing high and swing low with your scale. And now consider the wicks. This time you should consider the wicks. And divide this range by half. Now see how price is rejected from 50. This is your 50 of this range. Suppose this is your range here, that in this range you should work always. I will share the link again if this will expire. See how price is getting support from this 50. So this level must be marked in your chart. And I also told you that you should mark the liquidity for the direction bias, that what market is trying to do. If market go below this 50, what it will do? Dhanpal sir, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
So
It will hit 32,000.
yes, because when price go below this 50 level, so there is a possibility that it will target this liquidity. Price always target the liquidity. So I hope I can teach you in this 5-minute chart how price behave. See,
Sir, I have one doubt.
हाँ, एक मिनट ये मुझको क्लियर कर लेने दो कि swing high and swing low. Suppose here in this range. What you see? Swing high. Okay. And what you see here? Swing low. And what I say you to open your scale and mark out it, and again mark the 50. So see, I don't know what happened here. Suppose like here. Now, if I got this range here and I got my 50 line here, and what I will see that price is roaming around the 50. So it means price or market makers, always remember that market makers always deal in the middle of the range. So this is the range and this is the 50. So market, this area is market maker area. Now they are deciding that where they will move the price. So what they are doing here, they are building the orders around the 50 level. And this 50 level is very important level. You should never ignore this. So what I see that when price was rejecting 50 first, then go lower. Then again, if price goes below this closing, I will be sure that it will hit my this liquidity here. But what happened? Price just rejected that. See, rejected and after go here. So can you form the order block here? Can you see any order block? Dhanpal sir, you know the order block now.
Sir, I'm not sure, sir. I'm very new.
Order block is same thing. Any low candle that is violated with the green candle with the momentum. That is your 1, 2, 3 pattern structure. But order block is same thing. That is not you should always look for.
Okay.
What happened here? So in this range, what you see? Price just created an order block on the 50 because I will deal on the 50 only. Suppose you are saying that this is not my order block. So what I will do, I will mark the candle high and I will not buy the market till this high broken. Okay. And now what happened? Next, broken but rejected. Okay. Here, not broken. Here, on this red candle, not broken. Here, on this red candle, not broken and rejected. This here, broken and and I am also on the 50. So this is the direction wise understanding that which side of the market is trying to target direction wise. Now I am but sure that my market will go up. So I will do the swings mark. Here is the first swing target and here is the second swing target. Consider bodies. See what happened? Now, when I was sure from these swings and 50 and market goes up, so I will buy the market after seeing a order block. Can you see this is order block or not? What I say that I will not buy the market if I will not see the candle high is not broken. Here broken with this green candle and again come back again. Now this is your entry. Now here. Can you see the swing high and swing low? Where is the swing high and swing low? This is tough now because if you not practice this in live market, you will not able to do this. This is tough to mark the swing high and swing low correctly. But this is not like you are always a perfect. Suppose you mark this swing high and then you mark this swing low. And then what you do? Divide the range. This was the Friday. That's why I guess this was Friday. I always say that don't trade on Friday because Fridays are position making time and worse things happen on Friday. Now see, when you see this red candle here, what it did here? Then person, can you say that what this red candle did here?
It's coming to take the orders. Fair value.
Liquidity.
Liquidity.
Because these are the swings and my price is below the 50. Here also 50 below. So what I can do, I can mark the order block in this area. And when price come back again, I will short the market for the target of swing low. So this is the way how you look the 50. Now when price move away from the 50 or middle line, so this liquidity is taken here. Now lower side liquidity job is done. So now what market will do? It will target upside liquidity. So after taking the lower side liquidity, it goes above. And I will not buy because I don't know what will happen with the market, but I can see the order block or bullish order block here. So this was my, I guess, okay. Here also, why my echo? Yes. So in this area, what I teach you that when price break the red candle low, red candle high with the momentum, so this becomes your order block and you can buy here for the older swings target, like here. This zero line was your older target, so price just hit it, or you can say that this was your safe target. What was you were asking, Saurabh? Hello.
Hello.
What are you asking?
I was not asking anything.
Who was asking?
It was me, Sir Vivek here.
Okay.
Sir, while marking on the monthly time frame, sir, can we take 5 to 10 candles? Can we mark high and low of those candles, sir?
Here.
Correct.
So why you will mark the high and low? When you will mark? When you see a sudden expansion, okay? Sudden
Okay.
expansion or sudden like this, sudden move. So suppose you don't know this will be happen and you are here. Suppose you are here. You are on the left side of this blue line. I wish I can use this with this line. 1 minute. Now you are in the market here.
Yes.
So you will mark for the rapid momentum of the price. Like in this rapid momentum, there is also a rapid momentum within the price. So 2. Now I don't know what will happen. So I will mark my 50. Suppose I am here, so my 50 will be here in this place. Now my market moves, so I don't care, but I will move my levels. So I will wait for the price to come to my 50. You understand this or not? I mean, I don't know what will happen, so I will just keep expanding my 50. No, this 50 first it was here because I don't know this move will happen. Then this move happened, so I will again measure my 50. I am waiting for the retracement actually in the. You understand this or not? This is important.
Yeah, I got your point, sir.
Suppose you are here. So where is your 50 now? Here, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Here,
now
budget.
price not come on 50. I am waiting here. This will take too much time if I go like that. Because this is monthly. Now in this range, when price already moved, what I will do? I will move my 50 again. So now my 50 is here. Okay. And see, again expanded. So there is a time to move my, if I can use the fib here. That's it. Okay. Fib is easy. So sweep swing point low here and high point here. And now my 50 move again. Can you see here? So now decision making on the basis of the 50. Let me remove this, will take too much time. See here what happened. Can you see? If you want to invest in the market, you need anything or not? You don't know, you don't need anything, because what I teach you that you will not buy the market when the last red candle high is broken. So what happened here? Broken. And at which level it broken? 50. So this 50 is your friend, and again broken here. This also broken. And now when it was coming back in my order block, so this becomes your order block. And when price come again here in the order block, you should always buy the market, because price is above 50 now for the target of this one. Understand? Or body. So if you target the body, you will get the target easily. Here again, suppose I am not seeing this momentum, but I am seeing this momentum. And not now what I will do, I will mark the swing high and swing low. Now what happened here? Price was rejecting 50, rejecting, breakout. So when break, I can go for the this whole down move is your become order block in this region. And this was your entry here. Now price is all again in the range of my swing high and swing low. So I will wait again if I want to buy the market as an investor. So when market broken the red candle high and market is above 50, what I will do? Buy the market now, because I know that market leave or taken this side of liquidity of 50 is done. Their job is done. Now this side of liquidity will be target. But I want to teach, okay. The 1 hour consolidation. So I shared a chart in the group. I don't know if you consider this or not. Can you see the date here? Or not, they are the interval of 15 days. See, 30 July, 16 August, 15 July, 1 July. So what price do? It just target the old 20 or 50 days high and low. Suppose you are here and you see the consolidation consolidation means big players are making position and you mark the low for the stop run. And it happened on a particular date. This is important because it happened around the 1 July. So what happening is here, big players are making the fresh position from the 1 July to push the market up. Now market up, come again, taking the order from here again, goes again. Now what happened here? This is 15 July. Now after 15 July, when this liquidity is over, now they've taken the liquidity. Now nobody wants to buy the market because market goes from here to here, move upside, and this liquidity is over. Now at 15 July, they are again making the position. So what they will target here after making the position? They will target the original consolidation swing low, that is your stop run. So what they did, see, just gap down, and taken the liquidity. Now lower side liquidity is completed and nobody want to sell the market. So what they will do here on 30 July, because 1 July was, I guess, holiday. So in 30 July and 2 August, what they did, they make a position to target for what? Dhanpal sir, you understand this?
Yes, I understand the concept.
So what they do, when they are consolidating on a particular date, what they are doing, they are targeting the original consolidation that you can easily mark on the basis of the 20
Days.
or 15 days looking back.
Okay.
So when you see this chart, you can see that swing trading is so easy now.
Yes.
You sell option here and you know that price will deliver above this. You sell call here and you know that this is consolidation and this will target this because this is happening on particular date. If you look for the Bank Nifty, you will find this type of, now again 16 August, what they are doing here. They are just building the position. So what you have to do, if you see these kind of things on a particular date, you should mark, or you should always target the above or high of the box, not low, because this is safe. What happened here? Because see, in this case, price goes above, and what if you think that price will target lower side liquidity here, you will be wrong here. But market taking the order here, so this is a safe exit. After again goes above, taking this double top liquidity, and it is happening on particular date, then it will hit the bottom. This is the way that these time and date are more important than this price. First time, then price. I think this is enough now.
Yeah, sir. Sir, actually, you have sent a screenshot about the back test, no, sir, which you have shown last.
Back testing, I told you, no, that
paper trading one.
Yes, this is what? Bitcoin?
No, not Bitcoin. Actually, we have done earlier, no, in the Nifty, I think.
I have done that. No,
Telegram earlier.
Nifty is not open now, no?
No, I understand. And this is also based on how many minutes you have kept and taken this, sir, for Nifty?
For
Bank Nifty and all you have done, no, sir? Paper trading.
Yes. So you can do that thing also, like I told you here.
Yes, I have seen, yes.
Suppose this is Nifty, okay? And you want to short the market in your paper trading account here. So can you see the plus mark here?
Yeah.
Click it. if market was open, it will show the buy sell
Buy
order
and
here.
sell. Okay.
And you then click it and then take the target and stop loss, check your system, check your accuracy. If your accuracy is like this, like I created, so
Hmm.
you start taking the live trade, because
Okay.
I think this is
Done on Friday,
18th,
18th, 19th.
So see the 22, okay, 22.
Last one you have done, Bitcoin, was 22.
This
Today.
was, this
Hmm.
was like
Just a trial.
half hour before. That also close in plus. But here 21, 20, 20, 19, 90, C 19. These are on what? Bank Nifty, I did for Nifty, I did for dollar, I did for Bitcoin. I always try to check the concept through this terminal.
Okay.
And this is easy. And if you are like reliable here, and you will be like true to this to you don't cheat this, okay? No matter you face loss or profit, if you don't cheat this terminal, you will be profitable, because don't take trade in live market when you are not profitable in a paper trading. And this is the way that I started with 10,000 on 9 August, I guess.
Yeah.
So now,
9th August only.
so now I am ending with 680,077. So this also boosts your confidence that yes, I know something in the market, because whatever I teach you till now, this is not more than 5% of the market knowledge. If I teach you for the whole year, then I guess this will be like 20% or something. Because if I start teaching you that VWAP, okay, now what you know about VWAP, how a retail trader should use the VWAP.
Normally they tell like if it's on a 15-minute time frame, if VWAP is above the, candle is above the VWAP, we go with buy. If it is below VWAP, we'll go with sell. That's what I know.
So this is the retail thinking. But market makers do this thinking opposite. What they do? They do buy the VWAP below the price. Can you see the price below here?
Yes.
So market maker buy here, and where you buy? You buy here, na?
Yes.
See the difference. So the real market makers buy the market below the VWAP, and retail traders buy the market above the VWAP. So they get this much profit, but so if I got the time, I will teach you that this, what happened here? Break off, like sudden movement of VWAP now. So mark this corner. And what happened here? Can you see?
Yeah.
So this much profit when, and what are you doing here?
Nothing. We just mark to the earlier one.
No. What are you doing here? I am above VWAP or below VWAP?
Below VWAP.
Here.
Above VWAP. It's above VWAP.
So retail trader, what they will do?
They will buy.
And market maker will sell. So who is in profit? Market maker. I will teach these all indicators, because this is too much indicator. Na? If I start teaching this, so this will be whole year. This is the way, like, do with anything with one system.
Okay.
If I trade only VWAP, see, only the what I teach you, that only the sudden spikes here. Can you see the spike? Mark when VWAP spikes and move. So there is a what happened here? Retail trader, what they will do? Below the loss,
we will sell.
they will sell, and they will get this and then punished with the this much bullish candle. But I will buy the market when price come again to my level, because I know this sudden spike here in the VWAP. These are secrets that nobody knows, I guess, but maybe who knows, but at the end we should be end in profit. Okay, this is enough, I guess. I will take more seminars when I will be free.
Okay.
Any question in the participants?
For me, it's fine, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. No question, no?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, when we are using supply and demand, you have
Yeah.
said to use 1 hour chart.
Yes, you can
After that,
use 5 minutes also. See, if I mark first 1 hour, okay, then what I will do, I will also mark the 5 minutes. So volume, what happened here? This is 5 minutes. Can you see the high volume?
Mhm.
So what I teach you that if high volume happen on the green candle, I will mark the
Open.
yes. So what happened here? When price boost and come back again, so I will buy the market when I can see more conferences like order block.
Mhm. Right.
But see how price is moving around my zone, and till my price is above my this supply zone, I will not short the market. Simple. Here breaking down, but again come back.
Okay.
You have to wait, and you can also add the what you that I will teach you. At 50, what are you saying? Can you see something at 50?
Rejection, sir.
Yes. And
Bearish
what
order.
type of order block? So when you see that rejection, you see that bearish order block, why not short the market for the target of last sale? This is the last sale. This is the profit hit. Now come again, market getting rejected from 50, but can you see the order block here? Yes, no? Here.
Yeah, sir.
So short the market here, but market closed down, so I will not trade after 2 p.m. But also you should consider this supply zone, because this is the strong supply on the high volume. So this is the way. Suppose you short market here and you exit on supply, take profit, close the terminal. This is the way how to deal with the market. Can you explain order blocks, sir? If you have time, I'm new to this. Okay, later. You can go to the YouTube videos that available in the group and see the post. First, see all the YouTube videos in June, June 1 to 6. And can you see the bullish order block also here? And
it has broke that high.
So what is happening here? Price just trapped between two bullish order block and bearish order block.
Bearish. Okay.
And this was Friday. That's why I always say that don't trade on Friday, because on Friday market will be range bound most of the time.
Hi Shubham, I have one question here.
Yes. No.
So I just want to know, like, you buy in option or you buy in, this future for this?
See, if you have money of like 2 lot of future, okay, so future is more reliable than option, because what I teach you here, you can sell the option here and become profitable. If you understand this range, you understand now,
Yes.
and 50 understand, and you understand order block. After watching my video, you will understand. So
Uh-huh.
suppose you are a option seller. So what happened in this zone? When you sell the call, your call will be plus or minus. Plus, no? For the 5, this is 5-minute chart. So 5, 10, 11, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, almost 1 hour. So when price was range bounded in 1 hour and I am future seller, so if I sell the future here and my stop loss here, so I will be not damaged. I will sell call here, my stop loss here, I will be in profit. But what if I buy the market here, buy the call here, buy the put here? What will happen? Almost 50 to 20 points in the option put will be down in this range. Understand?
Okay. So what you recommend? Like, for example, we have a capital
Option
of
selling,
around
no,
2
option
lakhs.
selling and future. Option selling and future, nothing. I
Okay.
don't recommend that option buying. Option buying is like, you can't do option buying before 10 years of experience.
Okay.
10 or minimum 5 to 6 years, not below that. This
And
is
most
not
of the
because,
retail traders started with option buying with the
yeah,
novice
that is
traders.
the biggest mistake of the traders, because when you see 1 hour chart, that you see this big move, okay? But what happened before? Can you make a position in this area with the buying option?
No.
No, no. You can always sell the option, because if it goes in your opposite direction, you will be ended in profit, because your stop loss below this. And when it will hit your stop loss, you already gain your theta decay.
Right.
But I consider the future is okay, but you can do that after 2-3 years, because in the future, when price move in your direction, there is a large profit make. You will make large profit. And most of the time when you see that market always range bound. So when you are option buyer, you will not make the money out of it. See, range bound. You can't make the money.
Yes. For few time frames, it work as a trending, but most of the cases it will work as range bound.
Yes, no. See, if you miss whole this big move and you are option buyer, so in the desperation, what you will do? You will buy the market because you miss this move. And what happened here? Market is going nothing, nowhere in a range. You can't make out of any money in the market like here in this whole range when market already moved.
And
So you have to understand the
one.
whole structure of the
Yes.
price.
Yes. So, and there is one more query I have. Like, most of the YouTube videos that I have viewed, then I have noticed that most of the people recommend to use the BB Blast, right? The
What is
Bollinger
it?
Band. But
I am not a indicator fan. Can you see any indicator on my chart? But I
no.
know how to use indicator. I know because I know how retail traders use that indicator and how you use indicator. See the moving average.
Because most of the people will say like, yeah, hey, this is
If
a
you want
Bollinger
to,
Blast,
if
and
you
you need to
yes, if
buy.
you no, I don't recommend because if this that if because that works in the market, anybody can be profitable or make a good profit out of it.
Right.
That doesn't work. And what I see that when I trade market, I trade it mostly in 1 minute because when what I see that when I trade in 1 minute, what I see, I only most of the time target the double top and double bottom. So this is the double bottom. And when price breach your double bottom and come back again after that, and your last red candle high is broken, that is your buy for the target of old swing. See how easy. And if I buy market here, where I will put my stop loss here or here or here. This is 1:1 trade. This is because what I see in Indian market, this is not tradable. This is only for swing trader or option sellers. I can trade in 1 minute if I want to buy the option.
Yes,
You get
yes.
that?
For
Now
because
see
there
here,
in yeah, because in
here
option buying we are just going for with the momentum only.
you have to be direction right. You have to be on the spot like here by don't for the you can't accept the theta decay. See here in this range what happened.
Yes. Because most of the time I have experienced that one candle I'm in profit and another candle I'm in loss.
Exactly that option buying, that is very deadly. Be with option sell. But on the Friday there was a very bad incident, like 800 move in the option, 800 rupees, and option sellers are like 10 lakh loss, 2 lakh loss. That was very deadly. Avoid 2 p.m. time, avoid Friday. Okay.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. In your videos also just try to figure out like how the one can opt the stocks for investing also, because
Investing, it's
yeah,
so good. So good. See, this is weekly. Okay.
right.
And what I teach you in weekly, or this is what? If you see my video, what is this?
Uh-huh.
Shut
1, 2, 3 pattern structure here.
and
And clearly a bullish order block. So if you are going with the investing or swing trading, buy the market, put your sell here. One lot will give you 32 to 36, 4,000 point. One lot.
Yes.
Why don't you want to use? Na? Why you want to do intraday?
Yes.
Okay. But sometimes you have to be always right because stocks are always bullish in nature. So when you are trying to short the market in as a swing trader here, you will be punished here. Because stocks are most of the time bullish in nature. This was Corona move.
Yes.
Actually, this was not the Corona move. If I show you the 50, you will understand. This was the swing low, okay? And what I teach you that always move your swing. Can you see the where the corona move ended? Can you see this level? What is this? What is this?
This is
Can you
near
see?
50.
Yes. So why corona move ended at 50, na? This was pre-planned of the market liquidity targeting at the 50. This is not corona, due to corona. Because when second wave of corona came in the market, why market not fall down? Because taken order from 50 going for the old high. Understand?
Great.
See, you know everything about the market in this range. Like you know that market will come here and reject 50, then I will buy. You know that if you buy any of stock of the Indian market, it will be easily 2 or 3 times in this move.
Yes, it's a
look
big rally time.
Yes,
Everyone
look
is earning money. It's like a running train. But
and when it goes like breaking and nobody have courage to buy. So what I teach you that when to buy at 50, just remind first. When to buy at 50? Fast. When to buy at 50? What confluence I should consider?
It should be above 50. So rejection.
No, rejection is okay. Yes, three rejection on 50. 1, 2, 3.
The old high, sir. The high of the candle, green
I will
candle.
not buy the market till my red candle high not broken.
Candle, sorry. Yeah.
See
1,
what
2, 3 pattern.
Yes, 1 to 3 is same. So I will not buy the market till my red candle high is not broken. This was the red candle broken. Okay. Again come back, test, reject, buy the here, buy the market here, buy the market, buy. This is like to double your savings or income or investing strategy. This is like how market works. Every time you see that if you not consider that swing high and swing low, but you consider this. See what happened here. Price was trying to come at 50, but there is a order block in this region. See, and when red candle high broken, I will buy the market. So simple, no? But don't do this in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you will need more confluences. Okay, thank you. Good night.